Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine. Take care of yourself. Be safe, okay? Yesterday in Wednesday's period, we studied about English grammar lesson. The name of our lesson was what? The proper and common nouns. What are nouns? Nouns means what? I told you in yesterday's period. Nouns means naming words. Nouns means what? Simply you can call it, or in two words you can tell me. Nouns means what? Naming words. Naming words means what? The name of a person, the name of a place, the name of a thing, the name of an animal, or the name of a bird. When we take names of birds, when we take names of animals, when we take names of a person, or we take names of name of a place or name of a thing, that all words are called nouns. And the other word for nouns is also called, it is also called naming words. Correct? In second standard, there was a lesson for you, language study. In yesterday's period also I told you, and in today's period also I am telling you. In yesterday's, in second standard you have studied one lesson, fourth or fifth lesson, language study. In language study you have studied about nouns. Correct? And in grammar also, grammar part of second standard also, you might have studied about nouns. Nouns are called naming words, or in description or in full sentence, if you want to tell a definition of noun. Noun means the name of a person, name of a thing, place, animal or bird. Such words are known as nouns, and we studied yesterday two types of nouns, or two classes of nouns. Two types of nouns, which are those? The proper noun and the common noun. Understood? The name of a person, place, animal, bird means what? Proper noun. And the words which are used, the words which stands for any person, the words which stands for any person, place, thing, animal or bird, those words are called common noun. Understood? Now here some examples are there in front of you. Can you see on board? There are 7 examples. What are done? 7 examples are given to you, and you have to underline proper noun and common noun in these sentences. Now if I will tell you example, for example, if I will say Rudra is a smart boy. Now Rudra is name of a person, or it is a name of a boy. Rudra is a smart boy. Rudra is a smart boy. In this sentence, Rudra is which noun? It is proper noun. कोणत्याही व्यक्तीचं नाव, कोणत्याही वस्तूचं नाव, कोणत्याही प्राण्याचं नाव, कोणत्याही पक्षाचं नाव means what? Proper noun. Okay? And Rudra is what? Rudra is boy. It stands for what? This word stands for what? It stands for a boy. Correct or not? This word stands for what? Rudra. Rudra is what? Rudra is boy. So when we the words which stands for a person, place, thing, animal, bird, those words are known as common noun. What they are known as? Common noun. Have you understood? Which tells about the words which stands for person, place, thing, they are common noun, which only stands, they tells, he is a boy, she is a girl, then boy, girl, woman, man, more what you can say. For example, now tiger will have some name. Correct or not? If I'll say dog has some name. If I'll say cat has some name. Understood? If I'll say book has some name. Every book has some title, yes or no? English Balabharati, Navneet Prakashan, Jivandeep Prakashan, something comes or not on your book. English grammar, class 2nd. So everything, every animal, every bird has some name. And those names are called proper noun. And the words which stands for this proper nouns, they are common nouns. Understood? Have you understood? Now look here. We have to underline. Your question is given. Underline and write Common CN, what you have to write down? You have to write down CN for common nouns and PN for proper nouns. CN for what? Short form of common noun is written over here and short form of proper noun is written here. Correct? CN, PN. Now 7 examples are there in front of you. We are going to take one example, one after the other. We will complete one example or one sentence. Your first now. Robin is a friend of Batman. Now Robin is what? Robin is a name of a boy. Batman is also name of a person. So Robin and Batman, they are what? They are proper noun. They are what? Proper noun. Can you see? Right? And then friend is what? If I will say, if I want to say Saisha is my friend. Saisha is what? Proper noun, and friend will be what? Friend will be common noun. So friend is what? Common noun. Okay. Now next, our second example which is given here is our uncle visited us on Sunday. Now name of uncle is given or what? No, name of uncle is not given. If it is given like this, Raju the uncle visited, or Raju is the name of my uncle who visited us on Sunday. Then Raju will come as what? It will come as proper noun and uncle will come as a common noun. But here name is not given. So uncle is what? Name of an uncle is given? No. So uncle is what? Common noun. Correct? And Sunday is what? Sunday is name of one day. There are total 7 days in week and Sunday is name of one day. So what Sunday will be? Sunday will be proper noun. Right? Correct? Next one, now third example which is given over here is New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is what? Capital of India. Now there are capitals of many countries. Understood or not? There are capitals of many countries. So New Delhi is what? Name of a place. New Delhi is what? Name of a place. So New Delhi will be proper noun. Capital will be common noun. And India is also name of a country. So India is also proper noun. Understood? Correct or not? If I will say India, if I will say India is our country, then India will be proper noun and country will be what? Country will be common noun. There are many countries and the names of countries, if it is mentioned in the sentence, then that name will be proper noun and country will become what? It will become common noun. Now next sentence, fourth sentence which is given on the board is Rahul is my brother. Come on, tell me what is common noun and what is proper noun in this sentence? Rahul is my brother. Rahul is name of a boy. So Rahul will become what? Proper noun. Right? And brother will become what? Common noun. Rahul is my brother. Brother will be brother word or common noun stands for what? It stands for name of a person. So Rahul is what? Proper noun and brother is what? Common noun. Okay? Are you understanding or not? I think you are understanding. I have made it quite simple. Yesterday also I told you many examples. Next example is fifth one. Jupiter is the largest planet. Now there are many planets, right? Some planets are not mentioned, but we see only 8 planets or we study only 8 planets. Which are those? Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Neptune, yes or no? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto is also there, but Pluto is not counted. It is called dwarf planet. Means what? There are many planets in the space, so we cannot count each and every planet. So Here it is told that Jupiter is name of a planet. So word Jupiter will become what? Word Jupiter will become proper noun and planet will be common noun. समझता है ना? Jupiter will be proper noun and planet will become what? Common noun, because there are many planets and the specific name of a planet is given, particular name of a planet is given, so it will become what? Jupiter is a name of a particular planet, so it will become proper noun and planet will become common noun. Understood? Now we'll proceed to next sentence. Sixth one is, the Arabian Sea is to the west of India. Now Arabian Sea is what? It is a water body. It is a water body on the west of India. Our country India is how? Our country India, I'm just drawing now south part of India, okay? Downside is what? Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is there, correct? Here it is Bay of Bengal on the east, and on the west is Arabian Sea. On the west is what? Arabian Sea. So here it is said that in this sentence, the Arabian Sea is to the west of India. So Arabian Sea is what? Name of a sea. There are many seas, correct or not? Mediterranean Sea, Arabian Sea, Caspian Sea. If you will see in EVS book, science book, you will able to see lot of seas are there. So many names of seas are there: Caspian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Arabian Sea. So Arabian Sea is a name of a water body, and so it is proper noun. India is also what? Name of a country. So India is also what? Proper noun. West is what? West is also name of a direction, correct or not? There are 4 directions. If I will tell you, students, can you tell me names of 4 directions? Then you will say, yes ma'am, we can tell you names of 4 directions. They are east, west, north, south. So west will also become what? West will also become proper noun. Have you understood? The Arabian Sea will become proper noun. West will also be proper noun. India will also become proper noun. Have you understood? Next example, now last example of our proper noun and common noun is, the Ganga is a longer river than the Godavari. Now which river is longer than Godavari? Ganga. So name of river is given over here. What is name of river? The name of river is Ganga. So Ganga will become what? It will become proper noun, right? River is what? It is a water body, so there are many rivers. So river will become what? Common noun. Understood? There are many rivers now. Here 2 rivers are given. Ganga is given, Godavari is given, Yamuna is there, Satluj is there, Indus is there, Bees, Ravi. There are many names of rivers. There are many rivers. Kaveri is there. Rivers which are there in our country, that rivers I am telling you, okay. So here it is told that Ganga, name of a river. River word will become common noun, and Godavari is also name of a river, so it will become proper noun. Have you understood? I think you must have understood. Now what you have to do is, today I will send you photo of this page. You have to underline and write down which word is common noun, which word is proper noun in 7 sentences. Okay? In 7 sentences, you are going to write down which word is proper noun and which word is common noun. After this, there is another question. The name of the question is what? Prepare word trains. We are going to make word trains. First word I will give you. For example, man, man. Then which is last letter in that? N. Then you have to make another word from that. From N letter, you have to make another word. Then if I will say now, name of a person. Okay? Name of a person. If I will say first one, Shivam, Shivam. Last word is what? Last letter is what? M. Then you have to make another word from M. For example, now my name comes from M, or then I will say another name, Mahesh. Then Mahesh. Then last letter is what? H. Then again from H you have to write down another name of a person, for example Harshal, then HARSHAL, then last word is what? L. Then what is new word from letter L? For example Lalita, then LALITA, Lalita. In this way we are going to make word trains of a person, word train of a thing, word train of a place, word train of birds, word train of fruits, word train of animals. That we will do in next period. Have you understood about underlining common noun and proper noun? I think you have understood. And if you have not understood, even I am going to explain you in next period also, because we are going to take question number 2 in the next period. Okay, thank you.